In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add GST Shopify. We'll walk through enabling GST in your Shopify store so taxes are calculated correctly at checkout and shown on your invoices. Before we begin, make sure you have your GST registration number handy and that you're signed in with an account that has permission to change tax settings. Start by logging into your Shopify admin on a desktop browser for the smoothest experience. Once you're in the admin dashboard, look to the bottom left corner and click Settings, the gear icon. This is where all your store configuration lives, and it's where Shopify keeps the tax controls we need. Inside Settings, open Taxes and Duties. This section manages how your store charges and reports taxes for different regions. GST stands for Goods and Services Tax and is commonly used in places like India. If your business is registered for GST, you'll set it up here so Shopify can apply the correct rates based on your customer's location and your store's address. Next, select your country. Choose the country where your GST registration applies. If you operate in multiple regions, pick the one that matches the registration number you intend to add. It's also a good time to confirm your store address in Shopify matches your registration details, as location affects how tax is calculated. Turn on Collect Tax. Enabling this tells Shopify to calculate GST during checkout for applicable orders. This switch is essential. Without it, your customers won't be charged tax even if you've added a registration. After you enable it, Shopify will use the latest tax rules for that country, keeping rates current. Enter your GST registration number in the field provided, type it exactly as issued and double check for typos. Using the correct format helps ensure your number validates and appears properly on customer invoices. If you have complex registrations such as multiple numbers for different states, consult your tax advisor on how to manage those within Shopify. Click Save once you're done, you should see a confirmation, and from now on eligible orders will have GST calculated automatically. As a quick best practice, preview a test checkout to confirm taxes display as expected. Also, open a few products in your catalogue and make sure charge tax on this product is enabled where appropriate, so GST is applied to those items. That's it, your store is now set to collect GST. Keep your registration details up to date, review tax reports regularly, and when in doubt seek professional tax guidance to stay compliant. Thanks for watching and happy selling.